Tonight, food pantries across south central Pennsylvania working to recover and restock after days of delayed deliveries and increased need following last week's snowstorm. Fox 43's Melina Brown has more on families that are facing a growing need for assistance.
Grocery store shelves that were nearly empty just days ago are being restocked, but food pantry leaders say the impact of the winter storm is far from over.
We've had to either cancel or delay or reschedule a lot of our deliveries, but we're working hard. We've got a great staff, a great team. We have lots of volunteers that have been in.
Jennifer Brillhart with the York County Food Bank says icy roads and hazardous conditions impacted them for days after the initial storm. And other organizations had to hold back their trucks from delivering to pantries statewide.
When you have snow piling up, it's really difficult for our trucks to get into where they need to go. But we really do make every effort to make sure that our agencies have exactly what they need, because on the other end of that are our neighbors who really need the help.
And with temperatures still dropping and energy costs rising, many families are being pushed into difficult decisions.
Am I going to eat or am I going to pay for heat? And so, as you might imagine, this time of year is an especially difficult one because utilities are up, people are paying more to make sure that they have heat in their homes.
And food pantry officials say those choices are becoming all too common, pushing more central Pennsylvanians into food insecurity.
About 14% of our communities are food insecure, so people are going hungry. They're choosing to skip meals, and we want to put the message out there that that's not necessary and that we're here to help.
And organizers say every can, every dollar, and every volunteer hour makes a difference, especially as they work to rebuild after the storm.
Every dollar we're able to turn into multiple meals with our purchasing power, but we also could use food donations if anybody wants to drop off a food donation at either our food bank or one of our many partners that we work with.
For more information on how to donate or find a local food pantry, you can head to our website, fox43.com. Melina Brown, Fox 43 News.